Have you noticed how changes in our lives are happening so radical, so fast, and everything around us is just moving so fast? And today I want to talk about principle of progression, where learning or changes happen gradually. This is something I've learned from Satya Das. He's a family psychologist, and he talks about relationships, like build them slowly, normal things, like get to know each other, don't rush, don't jump to bed, right? Normal things. But it made me think deeply about how we live our lives. And I don't think it's only relationship, right? Everything is so fast. Like we go to career must progress so fast. And like the investments we make must give us 10x. Nobody's even looking at investments that are 5% or less anymore. We jump to bed with strangers and we throw away friendships, and then we stop and wonder why the relationship didn't work out. Well, that's probably because the changes are so radical and we're like flipping sides overnight. Like people become vegan overnight. Of course your body is going to reject it and you're just going to feel like a failure because it's not possible that much, not for many people. So obviously you're trying to do a good thing, but it's just not gonna work out. And the culture is set up in a way to encourage this fast changing behavior. Like I've seen an article where stars were shamed for not being vegan anymore, like giving up being vegan. But let's face it, that's not what happened, right? They probably went back to some animal eating, not like completely I'm gonna eat all the animals till I die now. No. Do you see what I mean? This is not just in like one part or the other. It's in everything we do. And then if you add all the aspects of your life together, you've got yourself a solid depression. So what do we do with this? Well, maybe the answer is somewhere in the middle. So the first thing to do would be to lower down expectations for ourselves and for other people as well. And just slow down and calm down. You can do everything, but slow. So what am I saying? Well, for example, if you want to do farming, but you have no idea about it, it's not like you need to drop your job, drop your life in the city and just go buy a farm and settle there. Yeah, you can start by growing tomatoes on your balcony and then next year expand to, I don't know, growing herbs or something. And then year 3 or 4, you get yourself a farm or something where you can really expand on growing, but you don't have to give up your life right away. So yeah, be realistic with what you can do. Yeah, meanwhile, while you're developing your farming skills, go on some dates and get to know people. And don't forget to take it slow and stop and smell the flowers.